Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today we are going to continue our medieval and early modern world history series by looking at arts and literature of the Renaissance. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's go. In the Renaissance, art showed a change in focus from religious devotion to worldly concerns, an artistic revolution. While much Renaissance art dealt with religious themes, artists increasingly focused on realism and secular subjects. Artists strived to show the human form and emotions realistically. Individual portraits, self-portraits, landscapes, and scenes of daily life became more common. Artists used new methods to show the world in realistic form. One such method was linear perspective, which allows a painting on a flat surface to look three-dimensional. Great artists of the Renaissance. The phrases Renaissance man or Renaissance woman describe people who have many different kinds of talents. The phrase originated as a description of Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo was a Renaissance artist, writer, musician, scientist, and inventor. Leonardo also applied his knowledge of the structure and workings of bodies. This work contributed to the world's scientific knowledge. Another renowned Italian artist was Michelangelo. He was a painter, sculptor, architect, poet, and a master of anatomy and drawing. Michelangelo's most famous work is the painting he completed on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel at the Vatican. German artist Albrecht Dürer had many interests and great artistic skills too. Dürer's work helped spread Renaissance ideas to Northern Europe. Renaissance architects modeled their works on those of classical Greece and Rome. The column, round arch, and dome became popular architectural features. Using classical mathematics, Renaissance architects developed new kinds of structures and machines. The Renaissance also influenced writers. Italian poet Dante Alighieri wrote in the Italian vernacular, the language of ordinary people. William Shakespeare helped develop the English language through his poetry and plays. He is known especially for examining the many shades of human character. Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes played a role in the development of the novel. His novel Don Quixote satirized the Middle Ages and also portrayed many characters with different views on life. Alright, let's recap. The Renaissance was basically the world's coolest rebranding effort, where art ditched strict religious themes for the drama of real life and the wonders of three-dimensional perspective. Leonardo da Vinci led the charge as the ultimate multitasker, painting, inventing, and probably sketching blueprints for a coffee machine while dissecting a cadaver. Michelangelo, meanwhile, made ceilings the most prestigious real estate in art history with his Sistine Chapel masterpiece. Up north, Albrecht Dürer spread Renaissance vibes like an artistic DJ. Architects rediscovered the glory of columns, arches, and domes, while writers like Dante, Shakespeare, and Cervantes showed off their linguist chops, proving that the pen or quill was mightier than the sword. There you have it, folks. That is arts and literature of the Renaissance nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Knock out those like and subscribe buttons for me. Do it now. See y'all next time on Nutshelled History.